Welcome back to YouTubeGrowth Academy. If you've ever wondered how to take your YouTube channel and actually turn it into a business that earns you money, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to share tips from successful creators who have done exactly that, turn their passion for making videos into a full-time business. So, make sure you watch until the end, because every tip builds on the last. Let's start with something important. YouTube isn't just a platform for uploading videos, it's one of the biggest opportunities. To build a brand and business in today's digital world, but to turn your channel into a business, you have to stop thinking like just a creator and start thinking like an entrepreneur. Tip number 1. Build a loyal audience, not just random views. Views are nice, but they don't always translate into income. Loyal audience, the people who watch your videos consistently, leave comments, and trust your recommendations, are the ones who support you financially in the long run. Focus on serving your niche so that viewers keep coming back because they know you provide value. Tip number 2. Monetize beyond ads. Many new creators think YouTube ads are the only way to earn money. Yes, the YouTube Partner Program is great, but it shouldn't be your only income source. Successful creators diversify. They use sponsorships, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, and even memberships. For example, if you teach editing, you can sell presets or templates. If you're into fitness, you can create workout programs. Think beyond ads, and you'll unlock much more income potential. Tip number 3. Create evergreen content. Evergreen content is content that stays relevant for months or even years. For example, a video titled "How to Start a YouTube Channel in 2025" will keep getting views long after it's uploaded. This is the type of content that keeps generating traffic and revenue even while you sleep. Every successful creator has a library of evergreen videos that continue to drive growth. Tip number 4. Build a brand, not just a channel. Ask yourself this. If someone hears your channel name, what do they think of instantly? That's your brand. Your thumbnails, titles, style, and even your tone of voice should reflect that brand. When people can instantly recognize your content, you're no longer just another creator, you're building a business identity. And businesses attract opportunities. Tip number 5. Understand your analytics. Successful creators don't just upload videos blindly. They look at data. Which videos got the most watch time? Where are viewers dropping off? What titles or thumbnails have the best click-through rate? Analytics are your roadmap to growth. The more you study your numbers, the smarter your business decisions will be. Tip number 6. Build multiple income streams. The most successful YouTubers don't rely on one source of income. They combine YouTube ads, brand deals, affiliate marketing, their own products, Patreon memberships, and sometimes even courses. Imagine this. Even if one income stream slows down, the others keep your business running smoothly. That's the power of diversification. Tip number 7. Treat your channel like a business. That means setting goals, planning content in advance, staying consistent, and reinvesting in better equipment or editing tools. Successful creators don't just upload whenever they feel like it. They run their channel like a company with strategy and systems in place. Now, here's a bonus tip that can really make a difference. Build a community, not just an audience. A community feels connected to you. They don't just watch your videos, they interact with you, join your live streams, and even support your merch or courses. Communities are what turn a YouTube channel into a sustainable business. And one more insider secret. Successful creators think long-term. They know growth won't happen overnight. But by staying consistent, improving every video, and serving their audience, they create momentum. That momentum eventually snowballs into a profitable business. So let's recap. If you want to take your YouTube channel and turn it into a money-making business, focus on building a loyal audience. Monetize beyond ads, create evergreen content, build a brand, study your analytics, diversify your income streams, and treat your channel like a real business. Combine all of these with consistency, and you'll have the foundation to not only earn money, but to grow a sustainable online business. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. And don't forget to subscribe to YouTubeGrowth Academy for more proven tips and strategies to grow and monetize your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.